Inside a renovated home updated to meet modern standards, rich hues of blue, red, and green are thoughtfully layered throughout, often anchored by an antique Sultanabad rug in the living room. McGrath II, a high-end residential interior design firm, transformed a five-bedroom Brooklyn Heights brownstone into a warm and inviting home with a distinct English country flair. Honoring the owner's appreciation for this classic style, the renovation brought the home up to modern standards while layering in rich colors like blue, red, and green, often grounded by an antique Sultanabad rug in the living room. Patterns play a significant role, with plaids and floral wallpapers appearing throughout, complemented by framed botanical prints. In the living room, a blend of American and European antiques includes notable Anglo-Indian chairs with sage green cushions, and a white mantle replaced the original black marble fireplace to brighten the space. An arched hallway, featuring walls painted to resemble warm walnut wood by a Brooklyn artisan, leads to the dining area. The updated kitchen offers a crisp contrast with a black and white palette inspired by Moroccan ceramic tiles, pairing sea pearl upper cabinets with after-midnight lower cabinets and antique industrial pendant lights. Upstairs, the master bedroom evokes the English countryside with striped Sanderson wallpaper and floral Benison fabrics curtains, while a children's room features playful Expedition novelty map wallpaper. A guest bedroom maintains a timeless feel with a natural fiber rug, an antique American quilt, a bamboo nightstand, and a striped Roman shade.